Hey guys, my name's Alex. I am the Chief Visionary Officer of Universal Recovery Consultants. Just want to welcome you and say thank you for choosing to partner with us as your credit restoration company. Just wanted to also just give you a little bit about what to expect from us and what makes us different from a lot of other credit repair companies. Number one, we definitely take a lot of pride in providing quality service, and we do that through communication. So once a month, we're going to be sending all of our affiliates and partners a update and a report on every single one of their leads and clients that have been sent to us the previous month before. So we'll definitely give you a detailed account of where everyone is at, if they're a lead, how many times we contacted them, what the response was, if there was a response, and then if they're a client, where they're at in the process, as well as if there's any issues that have come up during the credit restoration process. The one thing that we ask for all our affiliates, just be sure not to pull your credit or your client's credit report while they're in the credit restoration process. Just give us a call. We'd be happy to let you know where they're at and if it is a good time to pull their credit report. Just because whenever a credit report is pulled, it does cause a hard or soft pull, as well as might cause some inquiries, which could not only delay the process, but possibly cause the credit score to dip as well. So that's the only thing that we ask, is that you just give us a call before you decide to pull their credit report, and we'd be happy to let you know where they're at and if it's a good time. But other than that, we do appreciate you partnering with us and give us the opportunity to be of service and help you and your clients on your credit restoration journey. Thanks again, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a good day.